Have you ever wondered, in spite of working so hard, you are never happy with what you're doing? You feel as if you're not doing your best, giving your best. When you're working in the office, you feel your manager's not happy with you, team's not happy with you because you're not performing well and you're giving your best. Every day you're giving your best. Still, you feel that it's not coming out. Your manager feels it's not coming out. Have you ever wondered why you're not being able to bring out that best? Because maybe somewhere, whatever you're doing, there are traces of unhappiness in that. How to get rid of it, how to be happy, how to be in that state of happiness 24 into 7. It's a secret, isn't it? Not that big a secret. This is what we bring to you through our Happiness Series workshop. How to be happy and not just depend on external factor, but truly be happy, because when you are at your happiest best, you are best in everything. Write to us or mail us to know more about these happiness workshops. Never sleep with today on your mind. Never get up with yesterday on your mind. Because if you do that, if you sleep with whatever has happened today, those thousands of thoughts that your mind's holding, all that stress, all that anxiety, all that pain, all that anger, everything that your heart's holding, if you sleep with all that, when you get up next day morning, you will be getting up with all that heaviness, because it's going inside and it's getting stored in your body. And you will feel low in stamina gradually, slowly, as you keep doing this every day, every night. You sleep with the whole day of stress, all those thousands and thousands of thoughts. Next day is going to be a less fresher day for you. And if you get up in the morning with yesterday, then it is your past you're bringing into your present. Don't do that. There's a very simple way to manage the pain. There's a very simple way to let go of the pain, and in fact not have the pain at all. And for that, all that we have to do is, when we lie down on the bed at night, we just have to keep telling ourselves that whatever emotions I have felt today, whatever has made me uncomfortable or angry, or if I'm attached to any emotion, I am attached to it because I'm in that moment, but I don't want my subconscious to take it inside my body, to store it in my body. I still want my subconscious to disintegrate it. And then see the wonder happen. You'll have no pain. You'll be as happy as her always.